Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
At a press briefing held at the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, the Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla, had spoken on the ongoing agitation by casual workers of the university under the umbrella of the All Nehu Workers Union and the demands from the university authorities. Speaking to newspersons, Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla stated that the demand for regularisation and demand for increase in salary of the casual workers had been a 30-year-old problem, of which former vice chancellors and members of the management of the university were not able to resolve. He, however, said that as the current VC of Nehu, he is trying his best to conditionally settle the matter.
I would just like to brief about the agitation, casual labor agitation, which is already going on in the campus of Nehu. I received 2 to 3 letters from the General Secretary All Nehu Workers Union. Accordingly, prepare a comparative chart. I will provide you. I think someone already provided it. I will given you the copy of the letter. I am saying in the first place, I agree, this is a 30-year problem. Even in 30 years, why not the past Vice Chancellor did anything? But I am trying for the possibilities, no? Which way I can help the laborers.